Hi everyone, I'm Abby.
And I'm Emily.
And we are back with another how-to with SB Blooms, where we recreate trending Pinterest pins with our premium silk wedding flowers for rent. This week we took Claire's request. She wanted to see us recreate this asymmetrical ceremony backdrop with the Zaya and Eloise collection, and her budget was between $1,000 and $1,500, and this came out to around $1,200 total, which is really great. Yeah. And we love how it turned out.
So the products we use to recreate this install are Zaya Meadows, Zaya Vaseless Centerpieces, Zaya Swags, Eloise Garland, Eloise Aisle Markers, Zaya Posies, and a short and a tall gold stand.
Don't have to go looking on the website for them because we linked them in the description below for you. So if you want to add this whole look to your cart immediately, go to the links.
Yes.
And add to cart.
The only tools we used were zip ties, and that is pretty much it.
Yeah, zip ties and wire cutters, of course, to take it down. This took us around 20 minutes, so super easy, a little DIY required, but nothing you guys can't handle.
Yes.
Now let's get into it. We're going to start with a garland base, because the garlands are going to give us that airy look at the top and on the sides. I'm only going to do one on my side, on the short stand.
I'll do two.
Before we attach the swag to our stand, we're going to add aisle markers, Eloise aisle markers, to the Zaya collection and bring in some pops of pink.
Yes, so you will do the same thing that we always do. Wrap the pink ribbon that comes on the aisle markers around the center. You're going to take your swag and place the aisle marker in the middle. So this is one. And then I'm going to add another one down here. You're going to attach it to the structure. So we will put a meadow at the bottom of this. So I'm going to push my swag up a little bit. So I'll only need two, and Abby will just use one for hers.
So SBB tip that we like to do often, and if you follow our videos, you see us do this often, but to fill in spaces or gaps or holes that we see once we put like big pieces on a structure, our favorite hack is to add an aisle marker or a posy to just fill it in. And so I see one on my side, like right up here, and then I might add a posy in the garland. But these are great ways to, one, fill holes, and two, blend collections, like if you're trying to mix them.
I am going to do the same in the center where the two swags meet, just to make it blend more seamlessly.
And to finish the bottom of the look, because we have a gap here, we're going to place one meadow in front. We're going to blend it out with a Vaseless coming off the side.
So I will add a meadow too, and a Vaseless.
Of course, to add touches of Eloise, we're going to add aisle markers to the meadow and the Vaseless.
I'm going to add one more posy right here where I see a little gap, and then you're done. Cute.
And there you have it, a whimsical, asymmetrical ceremony backdrop featuring the Zaya and Eloise collection. We have become obsessed with mixing different collections into Zaya. I don't know, it's been working for almost everything we've tried. So far we've done Marlo and now we've done Eloise. So if there's a collection you want to mix with Zaya, let us know and we would be happy to do that for you guys. But Claire, we hope you love how this turned out. And just a little more info on how our how-to series works. So each week we post a new video on our YouTube channel recreating Pinterest pins with our flowers. And there's 3 ways that we do this. So sometimes we take requests, which we did today. So if you want to leave us requests, go to the description below, fill out the form, let us know what area you need help with, let us know your budget, drop an inspo picture because that's essential to this whole series, and we will pick one of our favorites. Another way is follow us on Instagram because we poll our audience every other week or so, and you get to vote on which collection we recreate and which install we recreate. And then sometimes we just show you what we want, which we did a few weeks ago.
Yes.
Sometimes that is featuring a new collection or a new product that we released, or just have an idea that we really want to show you. But that is how our how-to series works.
Yes, so if you like this video and you want to see more, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok so you can have a say in what we do next.
See y'all next week.
Bye.